So I like to put my twist on things, and otherwise nothing is consistent, and if I was not a girl, I'd be a drag queen. Feels great in here.
Very colorful tonight. To the right.
I realize now that I'm coming into my own and, I'm no longer in someone's shadow, that I'm really trying to express myself visually. So my personal style is very unique. It doesn't necessarily fit in any category. I like to take pieces that typically have like an electric factor and add things to them. For example, these cuffs are from Amazon. This is a shirt I just decided oh, that looks cool. It's all about mixing high and low. Typically 80% low, 20% high. So this first look is actually something I wore to a friend's baby shower. And honestly, as a mom, all you want is comfort. So this is a jumpsuit that is silk chiffon and it just flows. You don't have to wear a bra or underwear. That's always nice. And yeah, I love the color, it's electric. If something's simple, it needs to be a very bright color. Okay, so this dress is supposed to mimic the Kardashian liquid latex sexy, whatever you want to call it. But I like to title this dress Pepto-Biz Mom because it is pink AF, shows the curves nice, and I'm laying on my carpet at home. Yet it looks glamorous. It's all about DIY. TMI, I don't know, truth. So this is probably my first bathing suit photo in, I don't even know, 3 years, probably before Saint was born. And I was just trying to look like, a little 19-year-old Instagram model. Just kidding, but not really. Honestly, I haven't been comfortable showing off my assets, my curves, all of these new things that have happened to my body in a really long time, and I just decided one day, who in the F cares? So this outfit was inspired by Beyonce, Formation, because she's a badass. Red hat, red boots, because I'm a redhead, and why not? I don't like having things that I see a lot of people have, so I kind of curate things and just let my imagination flow. It's truly, I guess, kind of a passion of mine. That's why I always look a little ridiculous. To other people, not to me. Fashion is a way of expressing myself and expressing that I don't fit in and I like that I don't fit in, and I'm capitalizing on that.